If you've ever wondered how to delete a notebook in OneNote, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps for the Windows Desktop app and how to fully remove the notebook file from OneDrive as well. This is important because in OneNote, closing a notebook and deleting it are not always the same thing. So if you want to remove a notebook properly and make sure it's actually gone from your account, follow along carefully. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Let's get started. First, if you're using the OneNote Desktop app on Windows, open OneNote and look at the left panel, where all your notebooks are listed. Find the notebook you want to remove. Now right-click the notebook name and choose Close this notebook. This removes it from the OneNote app, so it no longer shows up in your notebook list. Keep in mind though, that this only closes the notebook in OneNote. It does not permanently delete the file from your cloud storage yet. Next, to fully delete the notebook, open your web browser and go to OneDrive.com. Sign in using the Microsoft account that contains the notebook. Once you're in OneDrive, navigate to your Files directory. In most cases, notebooks are saved in a Documents folder or Notebooks folder by default, so start looking there if you don't see it right away. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar to help find the notebook faster. When you find the notebook file you want to erase, hover your cursor over it and click the check circle that appears next to the file. This selects the notebook. You can also right-click the file if that feels easier. After selecting it, look at the top command bar and click the delete button, which is usually shown with a trash icon. If you prefer, you can also right-click the file and choose delete from the menu. After that, confirm the deletion if OneDrive asks you to. Once the file is deleted, the notebook will no longer be available in OneNote or OneDrive. If you have multiple notebooks you want to remove, repeat the same process for each one. Just remember that closing a notebook in the desktop app and deleting the file in OneDrive are two separate steps, and doing both is the best way to fully remove it. So to recap, on Windows, right-click the notebook in OneNote and select Close this notebook. Then go to OneDrive, find the notebook file, select it, and click Delete. That's the full process for deleting a notebook in OneNote. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.